In this video, I'll show you how to create a profitable KDP book using nothing but motivational quotes. Yes, it's really that simple, and this might be the easiest way to make passive income you've seen this year. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn basic motivational quotes, the ones that you can find online or even generate with a click, into a real money-making product. I'll walk you through a 3-step process, how to find quotes, where to put the quotes, and how to turn these quotes into actual money, even if you've never sold anything online before. This is called low content publishing with Amazon KDP, where you can create and sell journals, quote books, planners, and more for online passive income. And with quote books, the demand is already there. You just need to put these books together by literally copy and pasting quotes that you find online. These books aren't books that you write. They're books that you assemble, and people are buying them every single day. You see, I spent hours researching this niche, analyzing the top selling books, and testing the tools that make this entire process faster and easier for you. And what you're gonna learn in this video is the exact method that I currently use and would use again if I had to start from scratch today. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, take a look at this right here. This is an Amazon KDP coloring book. And as you can see, literally copy and pasted this quote, and it's just on top of a coloring page that's made up of some type of pattern. Here's another one right here. The best time to plant a tree ago was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Very simple concept because you literally just have to copy and paste these quotes, find a nice coloring pattern for a background, and just repeat it until you have a full coloring book. Here's another example where this was actually a little bit more simple. I love and accept myself just as I am. And it's on top of a coloring pattern that's used as the background. Very, very simple stuff. Now, if we actually go to Amazon and look at the motivational quotes coloring book, we can see there's a ton of books here that sell very, very well. And how do you see that? Well, you can see it right here by this bestsellers rank on the bottom of the books, or because of the plugin that I'm using, you can go ahead and hover over a book and you can see the bestsellers rank right here. You can also do this by just clicking into the listing where it'll show you the bestsellers rank. As you can see, 10,000. That's 10,000 out of however many books are actually listed on Amazon. And if we check the next row, motivational quotes coloring book ranked 183,000. This one's 16,000, 2,000. And all these books are going to be very, very similar. Basically, they're going to look exactly like the examples that I just showed you. Now, this is great and all, but what we want to know is how do we actually know if we're going to make money copying these motivational quotes and turning them into coloring books? Well, that's where a 3-step process that I use comes in. Now, the first thing that I look at has to do with search results because I want to know if it's even worth it to go ahead and create these motivational quotes coloring books, because if it's way too competitive, what's the point? My books will never be seen. And so what I like to look for on Amazon are search results that have about 1,000 or less. And so it's going to give my book a chance to get ranked on the first or second page of Amazon where all of the sales are going to happen. Now, if we look at the total results, we see 24,858. Now, this is the exact number provided by Titan's Quick View, which is a free plugin. You can go ahead and download it from the Chrome Web Store, but that's going to be a lot higher than that 1,000 or so that I'm looking for. So this is just going to be way too competitive to actually get your book ranked here on the first page of Amazon without having a super healthy budget on ads. And well, not everyone can run $50 a day on ads. But the fact is, we know these motivational quotes coloring books are very lucrative. So I actually did research for you and I found a better niche within this motivational quotes coloring book, but it's just a different word called inspirational quotes coloring book. Now we see total results just under 3,000. It's still going to be a little bit competitive, but we're going to see pretty much the exact books that we saw from the previous search, but without having to compete with 25,000 other books. Now, this is a niche that you would want to consider running ads on. So if you already know how to create coloring books and you just want to learn how to create simple ads so that you can boost your rankings quicker, you can go ahead and click on the banner up top. I'm going to put a video there that I did on this topic. Go ahead and watch it after this one. Now, if you don't have a budget for ads or you just don't want to run ads, we're going to have to work on these search results to get them closer to that 1,000 that we're looking for. So that's exactly what I did. I did even more research for you guys, and I found this niche, the positive affirmations coloring book for women. Now we see total results 1,090. That's going to be more to what we want, about 1,000 and below, which basically means that you can create a book for this niche and it's going to give you a better chance at getting ranked on the first or second page of Amazon without actually having to run these ads. And if we look at these books, we're going to see a lot of the same books here that were in that previous search, but these ones are going to be geared towards women. As you can see, there is a theme here. And so a lot of floral design, a lot of flowers, a lot of bright book covers. Now, the second thing that I look for has to do with demand. There's no point creating this motivational quotes coloring book if people aren't interested in it, which we obviously know they are, but in order to verify demand, I look for at least 3 KDP books that all have a bestsellers rank of 300,000 or below, because this is going to tell me that these books are selling consistently, which means that there has to be some sort of demand here. Now, going through the first page, we're going to see the first book right here. Let's hover over it. Publisher, independently published, so check mark, and bestsellers rank 10,363. So that's a check mark. That's one book indicating demand for this niche. The next one, positive affirmations, independently published, 63,000 BSR. That's book number 2. The next one, independently published with a bestsellers rank 2,279. That's going to be book number 3. But let's go ahead and look at the rest of these books. Here's another one, 133,000, 225,000, 185,000, 102,000, 126,000, 226,000. Most of these books are ranking at 300,000 or below. And if we just go to the end of the first page, we're going to see this book is 400,000, 540,000, and the row before that we have 173,000 and 276,000. So we know the depth of search here goes all the way through the first page. As long as the book can land here on the first page, it's going to do very, very well. Now, the last step, step number 3, is probably the easiest step because it just validates the first 2 steps of the demand and the competition. And I'm just looking for a niche score that's provided by Titan's Quick View. And that's a score of at least 50. And so we see with the niche score of 65, all 3 of my steps have been satisfied, which basically points me in the direction of this has a lot of potential here to have a lot of success. And now the next step is really to just look at these books, look at the interiors, and see if it's something that I can replicate. So let's go ahead and take a look at this book. This one is titled Motivational Swear Word Coloring Book for Adults. Sweary motivational quotes and inspirational phrases for stress relief and relaxation. This one with the rating 4.6 out of 5, so almost 80% a 5-star. Whatever the interiors look like, we want to look at it closely because it's obviously doing very, very well. Priced at $9.99, and I'm going to tell you in a little bit why that's important and not a cent lower. Because if you do, you're basically going to be giving money back to Amazon. Now, if we look at the description, all I'm trying to look for is how many coloring pages there are in this book. And as we can see right here, 30 coloring pages. So total 80 pages overall, very short book. 30 pages is not a lot of work. And especially when all you have to do is rinse and repeat, you can basically make this book in a couple hours. And as you can see, the motivational quotes right here that you can literally make up in your mind, or you can just copy and paste these from online. Or I'm going to show you how you can generate an endless amount of motivational quotes at a click of a button. Now, if we take a look at this graph, I just want to look at how this book has done during its entire history of being published. If we go back all time, we can see it had a lot of ups and downs. It's hovered around 50 to 100,000 BSR. But lately, look where this book is now. And it's ranking well below 10,000 on average. So it just goes to show you, no matter how long you have books up, at any moment in time, it can just start selling very, very well. Now looking at the A+ content, a little bit more of a close-up of these coloring pages. Here are some more interiors and kind of what it looks like when it's completed and fully colored in. Now, this book has a bestsellers rank of 6,962. So when I plug it into this book sales calculator, we can see an estimated book sales of 34 units per day, which is over 1,000 book sales per month. So if we go ahead and grab our calculator, we're just gonna put 1020 right here, and we're gonna multiply that by the number that we get here from Kindle Direct Publishing's royalty calculator. I put in all of the information here, 8.5 by 11 inches, 80 page count, price at $9.99. When I submit that, we're gonna see on Amazon.com Marketplace that that's an estimated royalty of $3.15. Now, before we do anything with that, the reason why I say it's important to price your book at $9.99 and not anything lower is because look at this. If I change this to $9.98, you're basically paying Amazon back because your estimated royalty gets slashed by a full dollar at $2.15. And that is because any book now that's priced below $9.99 has a 50% royalty compared to if you price at $9.99, which is 1 cent higher, which retains that 60% royalty and you get $3.15. So if we take our calculator, multiply that units per month by $3.15, we're gonna get over $3,000 per month in estimated royalties coming from this single book. Now that I've shown you the research, I've shown you the books, the interiors of these books, and showed you that they're actually quite simple. Now it's time to actually start creating these books so that I can show you how to actually copy and paste these in your own motivational quotes coloring book so that you can actually start making money on Amazon. Now, to make this super simple for you, you're gonna wanna go to Creative Fabrica and look for a floral pattern coloring page, just like this one that you see right here. And what we're basically gonna do is download this and use this as our background for the motivational quotes that we're gonna go ahead and copy and paste on these patterns. So if you don't have a Creative Fabrica account yet, you can go ahead and sign up. I'll leave a link down in the description below. Next, you want to open up Canva. You can go ahead and create a free account. I'll also leave the link down below. And you want to create a new design. I did custom size 8.5 by 11 inches. Just create that new design and we're going to start getting to work here. Now, the first page is typically going to be a page where it says this book belongs to. So very easy, text, add a heading, and just type that in. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, put it right here, and then go to elements, find a line under shapes, put it right there, drag it to the side here and put it a little bit lower like that. Now I'm gonna click on this element, the text box. I'm gonna go ahead and hit effects, hollow, that easily turns it into a coloring element. Then we can change the font. And then I kind of want to close this gap. So I'm gonna go up here, advanced settings, line spacing, and I'm just gonna close it just like that. And I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. After this page is complete, add a page, and this blank page is going to be the back side of this page. Now with coloring books, because of the bleed through, you're not gonna wanna put anything on this page. So add another page. Now this is where we're gonna start creating these coloring pages. Now from Creative Fabrica, that file that we downloaded, which is right here, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight all of them, drag them onto Canva, and it's gonna show up in the upload section here. So very easy. I'm just gonna click on one of them. Here is the butterfly one. I'm gonna stretch it out to basically take up the entire page, and we're halfway there. Now we need our quote. So in order to get our quote, either you can come up with something from the top of your head. You can go online on any website, make a Google search. But what I like to do is I like to use ChatGPT, and I'm just gonna ask it to create me a list of motivational quotes I can use for a KDP coloring book for women. You can be very exact with AI, and if I needed more, I could just keep asking ChatGPT for more, and it's gonna give me another list of 30 motivational quotes for a women's coloring book. Now all I have to do is copy and paste this. So I kind of like this one with the butterflies, so I'm gonna copy this, go back to Canva, add a text heading, and just paste it in. Now, obviously, you're not gonna wanna just keep it like this. There's nothing to actually color in. You can barely even see that quote. So first things first, we're gonna add an effect. We're gonna do the hollow. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna increase the thickness. So this looks good to me right here. Let's just make it bigger. I'm gonna play with the line spacing like that. Just make it bigger, put it right in the center. You can kind of put it anywhere you want, but I want it in the center here. And let's go ahead and pick a font. I'm gonna choose display and just look for something here. I like this font right here. Now it's starting to look better, but the one thing that you wanna do after this, because you can't really see anything, is you wanna go ahead and duplicate this, lay it exactly on the back here. But this one, you wanna change the color to white. Once you change the color to white, you wanna position this backwards and you wanna take that effect off. And as you can see, this is pretty much done. But what I wanna do is I wanna make this a little bit thicker. So I'm going to duplicate it one more time, grab this, put it back on top, and then I'm gonna go to effects. I'm gonna choose this outline right here, and then I'm gonna change the color to black and put the thickness up. Now, when we go to position it backwards one more time, you can see what happens here. Center that, go back to effects, and now we can make it even thicker. So as you can see, this is starting to look really, really good. Now, this is all you need to do. Add a page. This is going to be the backside to this page, so you don't need to put anything. Add another page, do another image. So let's go ahead and do that. Go to uploads. Let's go for this flower one. Let's close this up, stretch it out. Go back to ChatGPT and let's look for another quote. And let's use this one. You didn't come this far to only come this far. Let's go ahead and copy that. Go back here, text, add a heading, paste. Let's make this one a little bit bigger, but this time find a different font so it can be a little bit different than the previous page. Now remember, go to effects, hollow, and then go back, duplicate this, put it right on top. This one, you want to hit none on the style, change the text color to white, and then go ahead and duplicate one more time. Put this right there on the top. Effects, outline, make it thicker, make this black. Now, as you can see right here, if I zoom in, look at these little circles here. It doesn't look very good. And that is because when we go back to the layers, that first one that we made under effects, the hollow, make it 100. There you go. I just did 2 pages just like that. Very, very simple stuff. Now, all you have to do is rinse and repeat until you have about 30 to 40 coloring pages and you're gonna have a complete book. All you need to do is create that cover. So if you want to learn how to do that, as well as all of the steps needed to actually complete this book, you can go ahead and download my free KDP royalty roadmap. The link is in the description down below. You just saw how simple this can be. Find the quotes, copy the quotes, publish it on Amazon, and repeat the process. No special skills, no huge investment, just action and execution. And when you think about how many people search for motivation daily, it's easy to see why these books sell year round. If this video helped you see what's possible, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Also, drop a comment, let me know, should I do a full build from scratch video next? And grab my free KDP royalty roadmap. It is linked down below if you want the full blueprint to start publishing books just like this. With that being said, thanks for watching, bye for now.